Upwork Dropshipping Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Upwork and other recommended tools are in the description. Now let's get straight to the review. Upwork is a freelance marketplace that connects businesses with independent professionals offering a wide range of services. For dropshippers, Upwork is a powerful platform to hire top-tier talent for everything from product research, store setup and marketing to web development and customer service. But is Upwork the right tool for your dropshipping business? Let's break it down. Features. Upwork offers access to freelancers in various fields, including design, development, marketing and customer service, making it an all-in-one solution for dropshipping businesses looking to outsource work. With advanced search filters, you can find freelancers with specific skills, experience and hourly rates, ensuring you get the best fit for your needs. The platform also provides a project management dashboard, allowing you to easily communicate, track milestones, and manage payments with freelancers. Upwork has a robust time-tracking tool, which is ideal for ensuring transparency and accountability when working on long-term projects. Additionally, Upwork's dispute resolution system helps resolve any issues that arise between you and the freelancer. Who is it for? Upwork is perfect for dropshippers who need ongoing specialized work but don't want to commit to full-time hires. Whether you need help with store design, ad campaigns, product research, or back-end development, Upwork provides access to experienced professionals in almost any field. If you're looking for high-quality long-term help with your business operations, Upwork is a great choice. However, if you only need short-term, low-budget tasks, the platform may not be the best fit for your needs. Strengths. Access to top talent. Hire professionals with expertise in your niche. Flexible. Choose hourly or fixed-price contracts based on your needs. Comprehensive project management. Easy communication, milestone tracking, and payment processing. Global talent pool. Freelancers from around the world. Dispute resolution. Ensures fairness if problems arise with freelancers. Weaknesses. Quality control. The range of freelancer expertise can be inconsistent. Service fees. Upwork takes a commission, which can reduce your budget. Not ideal for quick, small jobs. Best for long-term, more complex projects. Final verdict. If you're a dropshipper in need of skilled professionals for long-term projects like store optimization, social media marketing, and web development, Upwork is an excellent platform. While the higher costs and quality variability can be a downside, the ability to access top-tier talent and manage projects efficiently makes it a strong investment for businesses looking to scale. Check out the links in the description to explore Upwork and start hiring freelancers today.